Before a vial reaches the world, it must be protected. The protection begins here, in a glass vial. It starts with sand, soda ash, and limestone, heated beyond 1500 centigrade. The result, molten glass flowing like lava, ready to be shaped. Automated systems mold each vial with surgical precision. High-speed cameras scan for microscopic flaws. Only perfection moves forward. Sterilization begins. Steam and heat cleans every surface. The vials must be viewed, ready to curdle life-saving medicines. In a synchronized ballet, vials are filled with vaccines, sealed, labeled, and packed. They become the guardians of immunity. From sterile labs to distinct clinics, these silent vials travel through the globe, carrying hope in every drop. It's not just a glass, it's trust, precision, protection. The vial is an unsung hero of modern medicine.